Welcome to English via AI. Imagine a young man. He arrives in a huge city. He has big dreams, but very little money. He does not come from a rich family. He does not know the right people. He has no easy path. But he has something powerful. He has hope. He has hunger. And he has a will to work. Years later, this same man would be called the King of Bollywood. Millions of people would love him. His name would be known around the world. This is the story of Shah Rukh Khan. The story begins in India. Shah Rukh Khan was born on November 2nd, 1965, in New Delhi. His family was not rich, but his home was full of love. His parents cared deeply about him. As a boy, Shah Rukh was bright and full of energy. He was good at school. He was also good at sports. People liked him. He had a natural charm. He could make others laugh and smile. But his early life was not easy. Sadly, he lost his father when he was still young. Later, he lost his mother too. These losses hurt him deeply. He felt great pain. But he did not let the pain stop him. Instead, he grew stronger. He learned to keep going, even in hard times. Deep inside, a dream was forming. He wanted to become someone. He wanted to make his family proud. And that dream would soon take him far. As a young man, Shah Rukh loved to perform. He enjoyed being on stage. He enjoyed telling stories. He began to act in theater. He also started to work in television. His talent was clear from the start. On screen, he had something special. People could not look away. His eyes, his smile, his energy, they all pulled you in. But acting on television was only the beginning. Shah Rukh wanted more. He dreamed of the big screen. So he made a bold choice. He decided to move to Mumbai. This city was the heart of the Indian film world. It was a huge risk. He was leaving his old life behind. He was chasing a dream with no promise of success. Many people fail in this city. The competition is brutal. Thousands of young people arrive with the same dream, but Shah Rukh believed in himself. He was ready to fight for his goal, and soon the world would learn his name. Life in Mumbai was hard at first. Shah Rukh did not come from a film family. He had no famous parents. He had no easy doors to open. He had to prove himself. He had to earn every chance. He started to get small roles in films. He worked hard on each one. He gave every part his full effort. Slowly, people began to notice him. His energy was different. His acting felt real. But the early days were not simple. He took risky roles that other actors refused. He played characters who were not always heroes. This was a bold move. Some actors were afraid of such roles. They worried about their image. But Shah Rukh was not afraid. He wanted to show his range. He wanted to prove he could do anything. These brave choices made him stand out. Audiences started to talk about him. A new star was rising. And he was just getting started. Soon, Shah Rukh Khan became a big name. His films began to succeed. His face was everywhere. He became famous for playing romantic roles. On screen, he was charming and full of emotion. He could make audiences laugh, cry, and fall in love. He had a special way with the camera. His open arms became a signature pose. Fans knew it at once. Film after film, his fame grew. He was no longer just an actor. He was becoming a phenomenon. People began to call him by special names. One of them was the King of Bollywood. Another was simply King Khan. But his success was not luck. It came from years of hard work. It came from courage and effort. He was known for his energy on set. He worked long hours. He gave everything to his craft. Shah Rukh had reached the top of the film world. But he was not finished. He had bigger dreams still to come. Shah Rukh Khan was not only an actor, he was also a smart businessman. He wanted to build something of his own. So he started his own film company. He wanted more control over his work. He also entered the world of sports. He became the owner of a cricket team. This brought him even closer to millions of fans. These moves showed a new side of him. He was not just a performer. He was a leader and a builder. He understood the business behind the fame. He understood how to grow and how to plan. This made him even more powerful in the industry. He was now a creator, not just a star. Many actors only act. But Shah Rukh wanted more. He wanted to shape the future. This vision set him apart. It showed his ambition and his mind. He was proving that he was much more than one thing. Shah Rukh Khan's fame did not stay in India. It spread across the world. People in many countries began to watch his films. Fans in faraway places learned his name. His face became known on many continents. He received great honors for his work. He was recognized by important people and institutions. He was invited to famous events around the globe. For many fans outside India, he became a window into Indian cinema. Through him, they discovered a whole world of stories. This was a powerful thing. One man was connecting cultures. He was building bridges through film. He showed that a story from one country could touch hearts everywhere. Emotion has no borders. Wherever he went, crowds gathered. People wanted to see him. They wanted to feel his energy. Shah Rukh had become a global icon, but through all the fame, he tried to stay grounded. Away from the cameras, Shah Rukh valued his family deeply. He often spoke about his love for his wife and his children. Family was at the center of his life. He was known for his warm heart. He treated his fans with kindness. He often thanked them for their love. He also had a great sense of humor. He could laugh at himself. He made people feel comfortable and happy. Many people admired not just his talent, but his personality. He was charming, but he was also humble. He faced hard times too. There were struggles and challenges over the years. Fame brings pressure and difficulty, but he tried to face these moments with grace. He kept his focus on his work and his family. This human side made fans love him even more. He was a superstar, but he still felt real. His heart was as famous as his films. Shah Rukh Khan remains one of the biggest stars in film history. he is still active and he continues to make films. His journey is remarkable. He started with no film background. He built everything through hard work and belief. He rose from a boy in Delhi to a global icon. He became a symbol of hope for many dreamers. His legacy is about more than movies. It is about what is possible. It is about chasing a dream against the odds. Millions of young people look up to him. They see his story and feel inspired. They believe they can rise too. He showed that talent matters. He showed that hard work matters. And he showed that kindness matters. He also brought Indian cinema to a wider world. Because of stars like him, more people discovered these films. His name is now part of film history, and his story still inspires people every day. So what can we learn from the life of Shah Rukh Khan? His story carries powerful lessons. The first lesson is about courage. He left his old life to chase a dream. He took a huge risk with no promise of success. The second lesson is about hard work. He had no famous family. He earned his place step by step. The third lesson is about strength. He faced great personal loss, but he did not give up. He kept moving forward. The fourth lesson is about growth. He became an actor, a businessman, and a global icon. He never stopped learning. Shah Rukh Khan's life reminds us of something simple but powerful. Big dreams are possible. With courage, effort, and heart, you can build a life you once only imagined. Vocabulary, meanings, and examples from the story. Dream, something you hope to do or become. Example, he wanted to make his family proud, and that dream would soon take him far. Charm, a quality that makes people like you. Example, he had a natural charm. Risk, a chance of failure or loss. Example, it was a huge risk. Competition, when many people try to win the same thing. Example, the competition is brutal. Range, the variety of things a person can do. Example, he wanted to show his range. Signature, something special that belongs to one person. Example, his open arms became a signature pose. Businessman, a person who runs a company. Example, he was also a smart businessman. Ambition, a strong desire to succeed. Example, it showed his ambition and his mind. Icon, a very famous and admired person. Example, Shah Rukh had become a global icon. Humble, not too proud, even when successful. Example, he was charming, but he was also humble. Legacy, what a person leaves behind and is remembered for. Example, his legacy is about more than movies. Inspire, to make someone want to do something good. Example, his story still inspires people every day. Grammar tip, the past simple. We use the past simple for actions that are finished. The time is usually clear. We often add ed to regular verbs. Some verbs are irregular and change form. Example 1. Shah Rukh Khan was born on November 2nd, 1965. Example 2. He moved to Mumbai to chase his dream. Irregular verbs do not follow the ed rule. Example 3. He lost his father when he was still young. Example 4. He became a global icon. A simple way to remember. Use the past simple for a finished moment in the past. Shah Rukh Khan began as a boy with big dreams and little money. Through courage, hard work, and heart, he became a global icon. He faced great loss. He took huge risks. He built an amazing life from nothing. So here's a question for you to think about. If you had a big dream, would you be brave enough to chase it? If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, share it with a friend who needs to hear it, and comment below with one lesson you will carry with you. Subscribe to English via AI for more real stories that help you learn English, one journey at a time. Keep learning, keep building,